Every business begins with hope, a bright sign, a full heart, a plan. But no one warns you how fast the weather can change. One quiet morning, the sky darkens. Bills gather like storm clouds. Expenses start pelting the roof. And somewhere in the distance, cash flow begins to thunder. Late invoices hit like hailstones. Missed expenses strike without warning. Tax deadlines crack across the sky like lightning. And when the books are messy, every decision feels made in the dark. Can you hire? Can you grow? Can you even breathe? In the storm of uncertainty, bad bookkeeping does not just feel inconvenient. It feels dangerous. But clean books are shelter. They tell you what is coming, what is owed, and what is truly yours to use. They turn noise into signals, panic into planning, chaos into control. When your bookkeeping is clear, cash flow stops feeling like a mystery and starts acting like a map. And that is how a business survives the storm, not with guesswork, but with clarity.